Hey, it's Rachel, and today we're going to talk about the camera record channel in Sisu Lab. With the camera record channel in Sisu Lab, you are able to start and stop your camera recording within your Sisu Lab program. To do this, you need the Sisu Start-Stop adapter and then the compatible cables from Mutiny for your specific camera. To see the listed compatible cameras and links for these cables, you can see the description below the video. Now, to use the camera record channel, it's very similar to the digital trigger channels in Sisu Lab. So in Sisu Lab, I already have a programmed move, and I only want to record a portion of my move. I will go into Channels, select Add New Channel, and then select Record and add it to my program. I can now see my camera record channel in the program, and I have set up my camera so that when the record channel is high, it will start recording, and when the record channel is low, it will stop recording. So at the beginning of my program, I'm going to add a keyframe to just the record channel for low. I do not want to record yet. I will then pop to a little bit later on in the program when I want to start recording, and I will hit Add Keyframe, and I will now record by turning the output state to on for 3 seconds. This is just, I already know what my move is, and I'm going to record just 3 seconds of my move. You will have to consult your camera's manual to determine if it records on a toggle, on a pulse, or on a state change like this, such as on is recording and then off is not recording. So now that I have my channel set up, I can simply go in and run my program. So I'm going to switch to T2. I've already proved this program out, and run my program. So now you can see as I reset here, when I run my program, it will start recording when I hit keyframe 2 in the record channel, and then stop recording when I get to the end of that on block. All right, robot moves in 3, 2, 1. And now I only have footage for that 3 seconds while my camera record channel was on. We just demonstrated the Red Raven camera set up so that on a high signal, the camera will record and it will stop recording when the signal is low or off. For some cameras, it will start recording when it pulses high and then stop recording when it receives another pulse on that same line. And so I'm going to quickly show you how to set that up in Sisu Lab. To do that, I'm going to select my record channel and start out with a high pulse here. So I'll select, go output state on, and do a single pulse, and then look at my camera's manual, see how long it says it needs to see an on or high signal. For example, I'm gonna do a half second here, and then I will then do the same thing when I want to stop recording. So right in this wait at the end, I'm going to want to stop recording. So I'm going to add another keyframe and then switch my output state to on, do a single pulse, and another half second. So for this program, it will start recording right at the beginning of the program and then stop recording at keyframe 4 in the record channel.